What is ITSM? Every business today relies heavily on technology, from cloud-based applications and customer portals to internal systems like email, data storage, and help desk tools. But who makes sure all of these IT services run smoothly and without disruption? That's where ITSM comes in. ITSM, or IT Service Management, is the structured approach to managing, delivering, and improving IT services for a business. Instead of treating IT as just a series of technical tasks, ITSM views IT as a service that needs to be reliable, user-friendly, and aligned with business goals. Imagine a company without ITSM. When an issue occurs, say a server outage or a broken login system, there's confusion, delays, and no clear accountability. ITSM changes that by introducing organized workflows and clear processes for handling requests, solving problems, and preventing incidents before they disrupt the business. Modern ITSM tools go far beyond basic ticket management. They incorporate automation to speed up routine tasks, AI to predict and resolve issues faster, and self-service portals so employees can find solutions on their own. This not only reduces downtime, but also allows IT teams to focus on strategic initiatives rather than repetitive fixes. ITSM also improves collaboration between IT and other departments, creating a smoother, more efficient workflow across the organization. The result is better user experiences, improved productivity, and measurable value for the business. Infraon offers a next-generation ITSM platform built on these principles. It combines AI-powered insights, SLA tracking, and real-time reporting to help businesses stay ahead of IT challenges. Whether you're managing a few systems or a global IT infrastructure, Infraon streamlines operations and ensures technology is always working for you. To learn more about ITSM and how Infraon can transform your IT operations, visit infraon.io.